For Tamatar Mirchi Salan, first I am going to make a mix of roasted peanuts, roasted sesame seeds, roasted coconut, roasted coriander, roasted jeera. This is homemade Garam Masala powder. Turmeric. Mix this. Add little water and make it into a paste. The paste is ready. Keep this aside. Grind green chilies and coriander together and make a paste. Here the chili coriander paste is ready. Keep this aside. So here we need the big green chilies, 2 tomatoes big size, and brinjal. And now I'm going to give it a cut. So we need to cut these chilies in this way. Give it a slit, and tomatoes into 4 parts, and also the brinjal cut like this, and keep it ready. Add oil to the kadai. Add brinjals and get this slightly fried. Add the coriander chili paste. Add ginger garlic paste. Add the green chilies. Now add this masala paste. Give this a mix. Add salt as per taste. Keep mixing this until the oil surfaces. So the oil starts to surface, and now we are going to add the brinjal. Add tamarind pulp. Add tomatoes. Let this cook. Here the mirchi ka salan is done. As you can see, the oil is floating, and generally the Hyderabadi Mirchi ka salan will have oil floating on the top, and it enhances the flavor. In case if you want less oil, you can choose to add less, but this is the authentic way of Hyderabadi Salan, that is, oil should be floating on the top, and it enhances the complete flavor of the salan. So do try this, and let's serve now. So here the mirchi, tomatar and Baingan ka salan is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.